All right, so I got it moved under the carport here, and just kind of went through and cleaned the junk out of it. I'm trying to see if I can find where the smell comes from. The back seat seemed pretty good. There was no wetness back there. When I went up front, right down here, which normally I guess would be where you might find a heater core leak, it's really soaking down there. I think I had some issues with the blower motor, maybe not sealing like I thought, or maybe some other issue going on, but that seems to be where the major water piece is coming from. As you can see, it's a little bit better now that I've cleared everything out. Got the windows down as much as I can. Gonna pull these guys off. They've been in here too long, need to at least be washed. And we might get into taking pieces out today instead of the engine. I gotta wait on another thing before I do the engine, so that's where we're at. Let's take a look in the back here. Remember how crappy that was. So everything in the back, there's a little bit of dampness back here, which I'm not exactly sure where that's coming from. You can see the black area there, but this whole carpet's coming out anyway. I need to pick up, next time I go to the yard, these metal bars. I need another one here, and I'm missing one right about here. Try to see if I can grab some of those. I do have all my 4 tie downs, so that's good. Anyway, so that's where we're at this point.